sport compact cars for 2024, 2023 Audi S3. As 2024 draws near, the sport compact car market is heating up with a selection of models that offer a perfect balance of performance, agility, and everyday usability. Leading the charge is the 2023 Audi S3, a car that continues to captivate driving enthusiasts with its refined performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious features. 2023 Audi S3, performance and precision in a compact package. The 2023 Audi S3 exemplifies the best of the sport compact segment with a potent mix of power, agility, and sophistication. Under its hood, the S3 houses a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers a robust 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing rapid and smooth shifts that enhance the driving experience. Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard on the S3, ensuring exceptional traction and stability in all driving conditions. This system, combined with a sport-tuned suspension and adaptive dampers, allows the S3 to handle with precision and confidence, whether navigating tight city streets or carving through mountain roads. The result is a car that is not only fast in a straight line but also incredibly agile around corners. The exterior design of the 2023 S3 is both sleek and aggressive, featuring sharp lines, a prominent front grille, and sporty accents that underscore its performance capabilities. The S3's athletic stance is further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels and a quad exhaust setup, which hints at its powerful engine. Inside, the S3 offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin that is both driver-focused and comfortable. High-quality materials such as fine Nappa leather, aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The digital cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Additional features such as a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, wireless charging, and a head-up display add to the overall driving experience. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Audi S3 is a standout, the 2024 sport compact car market is filled with other impressive options. 2023 Honda Civic Type R, renowned for its precision handling and 315 horsepower turbocharged engine, the Civic Type R is a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Volkswagen Golf R, featuring a 315 horsepower engine and advanced all-wheel drive system, the Golf R offers a blend of power and everyday usability. Hyundai Elantra N, known for its 276 horsepower engine and adaptive suspension, the Elantra N provides a compelling mix of performance and value. Subaru WRX, combining a 271 horsepower turbocharged engine with all-wheel drive, the WRX offers versatile performance in various driving conditions. Conclusion. As we approach 2024, the sport compact car market promises a thrilling array of models that cater to both performance enthusiasts and practical drivers. The 2023 Audi S3 stands out with its potent engine, sophisticated handling, and luxurious features, making it a top choice for those seeking a refined yet exhilarating driving experience. Whether you are drawn to the S3's balanced performance or the unique offerings of its competitors, the best sport compact cars of 2024 are set to deliver an unforgettable ride.